Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I got in my January Ipsy bags. Alrighty, so let's just get to it. So I just wanted to share with you guys the little extras that I got in my PR box for this month. So I don't know if you can see it, but this month's box was like dream themed. It was essentially telling you, you know, chase your dreams, whatever you're passionate about, just go for it, because if you put your mind to it, one step at a time, you can definitely do it. But anyways, it came with this cute little notebook. It says Dream It, has clouds all over it. It's kind of like that old like game font, really cool pixelated game. Oh, I didn't even know. So it's, yeah, so it's not just like plain papered, it's actually like different months in there. It's a planner. That's so cute. Notes and doodles, all kinds of cute stuff. And then on the back it just says Ipsy, discover yourself. I love that. Also came with this cute little baby blue pen that says Ipsy, and it matches my flowers back there. So this is super cute. I think when I move out I want to do like a light bluish theme, like grays and light blues. I think that would be so pretty and so different. So yeah, I really love this light blue color. So it also came with this. I will add it to my collection because I have so many water bottles. It's like insane. But it came with this gorgeous blue like ceramic bottle. It just says Ipsy on there. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's a really beautiful blue ceramic bottle. Has the lid on there, a little wooden lid. Just super cute. I will add it to my bottle collection because I kind of like hoard them. It's insane. Alrighty, so this is the Glam Bag for the month of January. I don't know if you can see it, but it is kind of like a clear bag. It has Dream all over it in cool star fonts, and then just a cute little like circular clasp. So that's super cute. Alright, I'm super excited to see what I got because I didn't even look at any of the products that I got. I did open the box and I saw the cute stuff they included, but I didn't look at my items, so I'm super excited. So, okay, so the first item we have is this, ooh, I don't know, Youth to the People. It's a Super Berry Hydrating Glow Oil. Oh, I heard this brand is really nice. I haven't tried them yet, but I've heard good things about them. Acai Prickly Pear Goji. Ooh, this sounds really nice. So I always love trying new oils and stuff. Just skincare in general, I have way too much. So this will definitely be tried soon. Alright. Okay, so next we have a Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick in Patina. Oh, I actually have this shade somewhere. I used to wear this color a lot. It's really pretty and popular, I think. One of the popular shades. But it's a really pale light pink. Alright, so we're going to try to swatch this. Okay, so I can't open this. It's really hard to get this plastic off. There's no like perforation or whatever. So I'm just going to like maybe just attach a little picture here. Just so you can kind of see what the color looks like. But it's a really pretty soft pink color. I think it's actually the color of my shirt. So it matches that perfectly, which is crazy. If I could get this open, I would probably like put it on right now. But I love this color. It's the shade Patina. Alright, what do we got? Alright, so we have a Cover FX Shimmer Veil. Oh, what is a Shimmer Veil? It says in Soleil. Oh, a Shimmer Veil. Okay, so this is like I don't know why I just said that, but this is like a pretty gold shimmer shade, and I think this is for your eyes? Oh, anywhere you want. Stop. That sounds so cool. Alright, we gotta swatch this. Ooh, that is beautiful. Wow. I am so obsessed with that. If you guys can see it, it's beautiful. Really pretty kind of soft rosy tone. Love it. Alrighty. We have, oh, what is this? Drama Bomb. Extreme Volume Nourishing Mascara. Oh, it's by, I don't know how to pronounce it. Is it Uma Beauty? U-O-M-A, but I've heard really good things about them. Oh, I love this packaging. This packaging is like snakeskin print, which is super fun. Red cap. I love this. Oh, yes. So this wand is really nice. The formula looks nice from when like pulling it out. Like, it doesn't seem too thick or anything, but I'm obviously going to try that on my eye. But it's a really nice kind of like circular. It's like an hourglass type wand with a lot of bristles. So I feel like that would give you a lot of volume. Like I have false lashes on now, but I feel like, yeah, that would give you a lot of volume. So I'm gonna have to try this mascara like ASAP because I love the packaging and it looks really, really nice. So excited for this one. All right, yes, it's the last item. So we have a Origins Original Skin Re-Texturizing Mask with the rose clay. That is going to come in so handy right now with all of my maskne. Having to wear a mask all the time, my skin has been, it's changed. Like, it's not what it used to be. So I feel like this would definitely benefit it. So I'm excited to use this. Can I just say, this month's regular Glam Bag was literally amazing. It was probably one of the best ones they've had in a while. Like, they've had like, they have like top brands in here, and Youth to the People's more, I don't think it's super well known yet, but they, what I've heard, have great products. But that was like amazing. That, I feel like it's definitely worth it. Like, that was a great bag. So I'm excited for the Glam Bag Plus now. Alrighty, so it's time to see what we got in our Glam Bag Plus for the month. So this item wasn't in the bag because it's too big, but we got some, is it LaRouche or LaRouche? These are brushes because I actually got this, I think, in my BoxyCharm one time. Yeah. Let me see. That was really pretty packaging. Like, I love that little like envelope with the rose gold. It's so pretty. So I don't actually think I have these brushes from them, so that's exciting. So we have this fluffy brush. It actually feels really, really nice. And this is a blush brush. Next we have this fluffy highlighter brush. This feels nice too. A little big. I usually don't like it that. Actually, I think that would actually like fit well on my face. So actually I'll have to try that. I'm excited. We have a flat shading brush. You can never have too many of those. We also have a tapered blending. I like that one. Like, the size of that is really nice. And these are so cute. I love the little like raised, I don't even know what spikes, like spike type. That's what they look like. Feels really cool. It looks really cool, so I love that. The last one is a flat powder brush. So I feel like I would use this to kind of like contour my face. That's really nice for that. I love these. Their brushes have like their logo like engraved into the like handle. That's really neat. I love details, like little details like that. Really cool. All right, what do we got? Alright, so we have a Wander Beauty. Oh, it's a Lip Retreat oil. I thought this was the mascara, which I love their mascara. It's really good. That's what I thought it was. So it looks like it's in the shade Oasis, which to me looks like a clear shade. Okay, I feel like I've tried like a lip, oh, it might be like a lip oil or a lip mask or something from them. Definitely don't have this one. I can't tell if it smells like anything. It's not like super oily. Like I usually like my lip oils to be like drenched, like my lips to be drenched, you know what I mean? And I just don't feel that with this, so I'm gonna have to try it when I don't gloss on and just at night, see what I think. Alright, so we have a Violet Soothing Hand and Body Butter with lavender and oatmeal. Oh, it's by the brand Celia? I have no idea. But the packaging is absolutely beautiful. It's like a purpley gold marble. I love that. Everything marble I love. I think it's this weather. It's making my hands dry too. So this actually came in handy. From Seed to Skin, luxurious hand and body butter formulated with Canadian botanicals, lavender, and oatmeal to deeply nourish and soothe the skin. Oh, this actually, my hands are so dry. Let's try some out. Does it sound like my voice is like all like crackly and stuff? Does that even make sense? Because my my throat is so dry right now, like I just can't even talk. I had to take off all of my rings. Forgot one. Let's try it out. Whoa. That lavender smells so nice. I like it. I like this scent a lot. Feels really nice on the skin. I think I needed a little bit more, but oh, that feels nice. And I was actually gonna go out and get a new hand cream because my hands are just so dry, but I'm gonna have to try this out and see how I like it. All right. Okay, so we have a Naked Papaya Gentle Enzyme Face Cleanser from Kinship. I don't know why, but anytime I hear of like papaya in a product, I just get so excited. I don't know why. Like I get super excited and I don't know why. This is just what it looks like. It's so cute and little. I love like miniature stuff. So I'm gonna have to try this and see how I like it. Alright. Ooh, we have a Pixie. It's a cute little Pixie palette in Sugar Blossom. I love Pixie products. They're like my favorite. Yes, I actually have this. This is beautiful. So I just grabbed the one that I already have. It's absolutely stunning. So this is just what the palette looks like. We have a bronzer, we have a really pretty pink blush, as well as a pink highlight, and then we have a nice gold tone highlight. I really, really love this palette. So I don't know if you can see that, but there are just some quick swatches of the shades. That blush is so pigmented. I'm seriously obsessed. I need to try that out ASAP. Okay, so that is everything that I got in my glam bags this month. So I'm super excited to see what comes for February, because the bags this month, honestly, I think were probably one of my favorites in a while. So February, can't wait to see what you got. So thank you guys so much for watching, and until my next one, bye!